In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can update our space details. We would like to have a unique name and not just the one created by default, along with changing the thumbnail images and even adding a logo. The first thing we'll need to do is click on the main menu button here, then click here where it says Edit Space Info. Changing your space info helps you make your space stand out. So make sure you create unique details that matches your brand or EDU experience. Now, let's change the name and add a description. Then down here is where you would add things like tags. Tags help your space be found easier, so make sure that you add keywords that are relevant to your experience. Next, let's add a thumbnail. You can leave it as auto or you can add a custom image. Auto, as it says here, is based on where your spawn point in the scene is located. I'll add my image here. Next, you have an option to add a video. Be sure to pay close attention to the resolution requirement, as it's 1280 by 720 with a 5 megabyte size limit. Info located here for your reference. Next, you can add a cool poster image as well. This is a vertical image, and you may have seen them on the Spatial homepage before. You can also add a poster video too. Make sure you check the requirement for the video here on the right side. And to make sure you know, for any video or poster video, when you hover over your thumbnail, you see the video played. But also when the screen is loading, the video is also playing there. And of course, last, you can add the logo. The user of your space will see this when the space is loading. It really just adds a really nice touch. Well, that's it. Just click and save and you're all set. Your space will now have some nice touches to it to help you stand out even more.